In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Apps section. Then select Dual Apps and click on the switcher next to one of your apps that you wish to clone. In my case, Amazon Shopping. When you finished, click on Turn On in the pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete this clone, you can go back to the same settings and tap on No Blue switcher next to your app. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to select one of your apps from recommended section, click on it, clone it thanks to gray switcher next to Dual Apps, and Turn On button. Then adjust all of those options under Personalization, like share to Facebook, sign in using Facebook, and wake using Google Assistant. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!